past several months I've been working with Alex at Stratified Automotive Controls to update the DSG tune for the Mk7 GTI, the DQ250 DSG, and very close to being finished at this point. And if you've been following some of the updates that I've been writing, you kind of know that the focus of this has been on the drive mode and kind of having a pretty wide dynamic range. And by that, what I mean is when you're going light on the pedal, it's appropriate to that, and when you're a little bit heavier on the pedal, it behaves more sporty. So that's one of the things I'm hopefully capture with some of these video clips that I'm going to show. Something to keep in mind is I'm not really going full throttle, thanks to the Schunk IS38 Plus turbo, as well as combined with the EQT custom tuning. Full throttle, usually at the speeds that I'm going to be showing here, would result in the wheel spin. So not going to be doing any of that, but hopefully this will give an idea of where the tune is going for those of you who have the Stratified Automotive Controls tune, and for those of you who might be considering it. Okay, so hopefully those clips that you saw there gave you a little bit, those of you that are using the same tune or considering it, give you a little bit of idea of how it is going to perform. hopefully we'll be done here soon. It's very close to being finished. And thanks again to Alex at Stratified Automotive Controls for taking this on. It's been a good bit of work, and I appreciate everything that's been done because I'm very happy with how the car is driving now.